Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Ruffdom over here, and this is the second episode of the Roblox that from the video that I made about 1 hour and 28 minutes. And like I said from the first episode, that this is going to be continuously a series until that the spin the wheel has no more games. So this episode 2 is My Prison, the game that we played for not too long since me and my friends really got bored from playing it about like 5 to 10 minutes about the gameplay, and we already got bored since I don't know how that impact about my in my prison, to be honest. No offense to the developer who made my prison. I just don't have the what you call this the courage to grind from that game since I don't really have any idea or how this game is going to be more popular than I think. So no offense to that developer, to be honest. So yeah, that's all about this episode 2. So roll the clip of episode 2, my prison.
Boy.
Okay, go inside, boys. Go inside. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Go inside. Funny but crazy naman to. So huwag kang magtataka. So there's a firefighter now. Prisoners can now attempt to set the prison on fire. We're also introducing the most requested
Oh
feature,
my
the staff only
days.
door. In addition, we've added a variety of new decoration. Okay. Theo,
Yo,
go into the game.
I am here.
Okay, so do your own because it's like a tycoon.
Claim this one.
So
Oh,
this
I
is
suck at building. I'm creating my prison.
my prison, guys. Actually, we played this before. This is the bathroom.
Okay. One prisoner stink.
Fire
Add more
event.
shower. Fine.
Okay.
Film.
Medyo, I have so much to work on my prison. Suck.
Same. I have to
Okay.
redesign this prison, to be honest.
Add more shower. Where?
Okay.
I forgot how to play this game.
Well,
Same. Let's just
right.
let's play
I
this.
still suck.
Let's play this for a few minutes. Then we should do another one.
Oh no, my butas. Wait.
Oh my god. Nahulog ako. Okay, go.
Sa toilet pa.
There's no prisoners.
We need a shower.
Sorry, but you have to go inside.
The problem is
Hey.
where do I put the shower? Put it.
Sorry, you
Oh,
have to go
I
here?
hit
inside.
light bulbs.
Put it a light. What?
You as
I'll
well.
just put a shower right outside.
It's a beautiful day in the
Must
day.
build on a must must build on a wall on this place, bro. Are you serious?
I'd say it's today.
I will put a shower like right. I don't know to put the shower inside the prison cell.
Oh
Bro,
my
I have to
god.
expand my prison. Oh nah, bro.
Same.
This
I don't even have
this
any criminals yet.
Well, you have to get your criminals to get
because
you.
I put a shower. Someone shower inside the cell. I put a shower in the cell.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Okay, come on, Pray. Ginawa mo
oh
pa talaga
my
yun.
gosh. Tapos nagsasayaw pa habang nagsha-shower. I have to envision my prison. Oh, I did that. I feel like,
I can only hold like one criminal.
I mean, Pio, you just
I'm done
got
with criminals.
started. How do I make a wall? Gray wall? It's like $10.
Go, come
This is
on.
like $10. I don't know what to put here.
gonna hire a new guard.
Can I even rotate this? Yeah, of course I can. Why cannot I?
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Oh, I'm spending my money. Wait, how do I break walls? Oh, blood! Item picker? Classic wall? Oh, fudge.
I think we should spin a wheel again.